China has a population of 2 billion, but many factors are caught in a labor shortage. Where are the workers? I have always believed that people who have never been in a factory, deal on an assembly line, or experience things and not choose are not qualified to talk about the hardships of life. Working in a factory basically stands all day on the shop floor. Some factories stipulate time for drinking water and going to the toilet. Freedom of working hours is strictly limited. This is something that young people who advocate freedom are not willing to accept. There is significantly more freedom to pursue other work. Take catering service staff as an example. As long as they don't look at their mobile phones during tea calls, they are relatively free in their spare time. Human nature yearns for freedom and does not want to be bound. Two jobs have similar ages. One has no freedom at all, then the other has some freedom. How would you choose?